We will discuss different types of acts and its use. There are three criminal major acts. Major acts: BNS replacing IPC, BNSS replacing CRPC, and BASA replacing Indian Evidence Act. These are criminal major acts. Then there are minor acts for check bounce cases, Negotiable Instrument Act. Then for selling opium products, drugs, NDPS Act, narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. For keeping illegal arms, one can be punished under Arms Act. Then to prohibit dowry, Dowry Prohibition Act. Then to regulate regulate the sale of alcohol, Excise Act is in force. Every state has its own excise laws, and it is a central law also, and a state can do amendment also. Then there are further acts, criminal acts to prohibit like for sex determination, PCPNDT Act, like prevention, preconception and prevention of neonatal diagnostic techniques. Nobody can do ultrasound etc. for determination of sex when baby is in womb. So these are several criminal acts. Then explosive acts is also there to regulate purchase and sale of gunpowder, dynamite, etc. In civil matter, General Clauses Act is there, that in when notice shall be deemed to be served. These things are in General Clauses Act. For banking laws, there is SARFAESI Act. Then this RDBA, Recovery of Debts Due to Bank and Financial Institution Act. Electricity Act is there. GST Act for regulating matter relating to GST. Hindu Marriage Act, how marriages will be said to be solemnized, divorce, judicial separation, etc. are there. And for citizen other than Hindus, a special marriage act is there. There every state and every district is having municipal laws. Municipal law may vary from district to district. Then Drugs and Cosmetics Act for selling allopathic drug. To deprecate and prohibit drugs who claim to have magic remedy and are unscientific. For that magic remedy act is there. Then Passport Act is also there for transport etc. and license, driving licenses, accident. For this, Motor Vehicle Act is there, Gratuity Act, Provident Fund Act, Bihar and Orissa Certificate Cases Act is there, so that in certificate cases how court will operate. Then a landlord and tenant here in Jharkhand Building and Lease Control Act is there. SDO is having power to adjudicate these matters. Then to come to a conclusion in the case of agreement Arbitration Act is there. High Court is having power to direct and appoint an arbitrator if parties are having this fact mentioned in their agreement for property, immovable property, transfer of property act, how civil cases will be regulated in courts, civil procedure code we are having, for trust act we are having, succession act we are having. So these are the acts and many more. For example, in Jharkhand, Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act, tribals can sell their land to tribals only, and that also in one thana when they are residing in one thana. In Santhal Pargana, SPT Act, Santhal Pargana Tenancy Act are there. So there are innumerable acts. अब बात करते हैं और सिविल के एक्ट की, जैसे कि स्पेसिफिक रिलीफ एक्ट है, जब कोई एग्रीमेंट करके आपको ज़मीन नहीं बेचता है। फिर म्यूटेशन का एक्ट है। लोकल एक्ट बहुत तरह का होता है जिसको स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बनाती है। फिर सेंट्रल एक्ट है। सिटीजनशिप एक्ट है कि सिटीजनशिप एक आदमी को कैसे मिलेगा। फिर कई स्टेट में कोचिंग सेंटर एक्ट बना है कि कोचिंग सेंटर कैसे रेगुलेट करेंगे। पॉल्यूशन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए पॉल्यूशन एक्ट है। तो इस तरह से बहुत सारे एक्ट हैं। एक एडवोकेट को सबों की जानकारी रखनी पड़ती है और एक्ट को पढ़ के कैसे समझें जब उस तरह का केस कोई सामने आए, जैसे कि पीडीएस से, जहाँ से सरकार रियायती दर पे राशन देती है गरीबों को, उसके लिए इसेंशियल कमोडिटीज़ एक्ट।